Hello guys, today I'll be installing LED lights to my car. Let's go. So guys, this is the kit that I've received from Amazon. It's car atmosphere light, LED lights for the inside of the car with 8 colours. This is the car we'll be doing it in. BMW 1 Series. So when we open it up, this is what we get. We get 4 LED lights for the under the seats. I chose a USB cable, and we've got this little controller bit. Got these here. What else you get is a little remote with all the colours on, the fade, music and all that. Then we got some little sticky things to stick it under the seats. So let's get to it. So these are the lights. So the first thing you should do is to see if they work. So I'll be installing it here instead of there, because that's where I put my phone in there. So they've got a USB cable here. So I'll just try it in here. And here they are. They're on. Look, all 4 of them are working. So here's the little controllers that we have. As you can see, it has 8 colours. So let's just try red. There we go. We've got blue, yellow, orange, green, white. We got fades, different things. And it plays the music as well, which we'll try out later on. So guys, as you can see, this is where I'll be keeping the little box. And all the wires go into here. I've done this side. So as you can see, this wire goes underneath this, which I'll stick on to there. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. This side, this goes all the way here into the side panels, which just open up like that. And then we get this, which you stick on, which I'll do later after the back ones are done. As you can see from the back seat, I've tucked it all into here. One light comes out from there, goes all the way from here. It leads up to the seat here, and that's the back seat's done. The front bit's nearly done. There's all the wires. That's what's nearly done. We just need to stick them on now. So in the box we get a little sticky thing. It's a wipe that makes it easy to stick. So open it up. You get 2 of these in the box. These little wipes. So just under the seat. So under the seat you wipe them. It just becomes stickier. It's quite a strong smell as well. So you do this side as well. You give it 5 minutes before applying the LED lights. So here's the little sticky things we'll be sticking on. It's double-sided. It's a bit of a struggle. So just time to peel this bit off and stick it. So I'm just going to stick it underneath here. There we are, stuck very well. Yep, that's on very strongly. Let me show you guys. There you go. The wire is just on the side there. So I'm just going to peel this side off for the back seats. Let's just stick this on. All on. Let me just show you. There it is, just here. So guys, this is the last bit to put on. last bit to put on before we're done. There's a whole gang coming.
See? Oh no, why are we gonna be dripping?
Finally, look. I'll probably tape that little wire. And there it is. I'll probably tape this bit up as well. This little box. Take this little box up to the side and then we should be done. And so guys, that was everything done. You can't see any wires. Nothing. I set up this little box down here. All the wires are just here. So guys, I'll show you the final result at night. How it looks like in the dark.
Million records on a banner. I am no ordinary rapper, and I ain't never handling a hammer. Every boss that be close to the habit. Started with little, but it turned to a load. Charging 5 on a for a show.